Do you ever wake up feeling bloated, restless, or just completely drained? Even after a full night's sleep? You're definitely not alone. Many people deal with poor digestion, inflammation, or sleep issues without even realizing the root cause. Surprisingly, something as simple as drinking baking soda water before bed could help balance your body, improve digestion, and even support your kidneys. In this video, I'll reveal 10 powerful health benefits of drinking baking soda water at night, from detox support and acid balance to better sleep, plus the safe dosage guide you need to know. Stick with me to the end, especially if you've struggled with heartburn, bloating, or chronic fatigue, because this tiny kitchen ingredient could make a massive difference. Comment below if you've ever tried baking soda water or are curious about natural remedies. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future health hacks. 10 amazing benefits of baking soda water at night. Number 1. Neutralizes stomach acid. Reduces acid reflux at night. Acid reflux is one of the most common reasons people can't fall asleep at night. Baking soda water acts fast to neutralize stomach acid, relieving that burning chest sensation within minutes. It's like a calming rinse for your digestive system, helping you drift off without discomfort or medication. When your digestion is calm, healing can begin, especially where inflammation and nighttime pain are concerned. Number 2. Reduces joint inflammation and night pain. Aching joints or stiff mornings? Your sleep might be silently suffering from inflammation. Baking soda may help reduce systemic inflammation by gently supporting the body's natural acid-base buffering mechanisms that ease strain on joints overnight. In one study, it was found to calm the activity of pro-inflammatory cells called macrophages, which are often overactive in people with arthritis. This can lead to less swelling, stiffness, and discomfort, especially during sleep when the body naturally enters repair mode. By lowering the acidic load in your system, it takes pressure off inflamed joints, which is when deep repair can begin. Instead of waking up with tightness or pain, you may notice smoother mobility and better flexibility. This is particularly helpful for those with rheumatoid arthritis, gout, or age-related joint wear. Because inflammation interferes with both deep sleep and joint healing, calming it down before bed gives your body a head start. And unlike pain relievers, baking soda doesn't mask symptoms. It works on the chemical environment behind them. Combined with proper hydration and rest, this simple remedy may become a natural nightly support tool for your joints. With joints calm, your body's chemistry starts to rebalance, and that's where the next benefit comes in. Number 3. Balances body pH overnight. Your body heals best in balance, and overnight is when that restoration happens. Baking soda gently helps reduce excess acid in the body by acting as a natural alkaline buffer. While your blood pH remains constant, your tissues and cells may benefit from a reduced acid load. A more balanced pH can improve enzyme activity, cellular repair, and oxygen delivery. People report feeling less bloated and more refreshed after consistent use. It may support better absorption of minerals like magnesium and potassium. This shift encourages deeper overnight recovery. Baking soda helps create the right conditions for your body to restore itself fully. And when your pH is balanced, your kidneys, the silent detox heroes, get some overdue relief.
One of the important jobs of the kidneys is to clean the blood. As blood moves through the body, it picks up extra fluid, chemicals, and waste. The kidneys separate this material from the blood. It's carried out of the body in urine. If the kidneys are unable to do this, and the condition is untreated, serious health problems result, with eventual loss of life.
Number 4. Supports kidney health and reduces strain. When your system is too acidic, your kidneys have to work overtime, especially at night. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering waste and balancing fluids, but excess acid makes that job harder. Chronic low-grade acidosis, even at mild levels, can increase strain on kidney function over time. Baking soda helps by neutralizing this acid load, easing the pressure on your filtration system. This can be especially helpful at night when the body is repairing and detoxifying. Research suggests that baking soda may slow the progression of mild kidney impairment. It also supports healthier urine pH, which may reduce the risk of uric acid kidney stones. By helping the kidneys do their job more efficiently, it promotes cleaner blood and lower inflammation. This leads to better hydration, mineral balance, and toxin removal overnight. People often notice they wake up feeling clearer, lighter, and less puffy. It's not a cure, but a gentle, supportive aid for kidney function when used responsibly. And as your kidneys detox your blood, your entire system benefits from the relief. Now that detox is flowing, how does baking soda affect the quality of your sleep itself? Number 5. Improves sleep quality. Poor sleep isn't just about restlessness. It's often tied to discomfort from the inside out. Baking soda helps calm the digestive system by neutralizing excess acid that can cause nighttime discomfort. This reduces pressure, bloating, and reflux, which are common but often unnoticed sleep disruptors. By easing internal tension, your nervous system has a better chance of staying in deep, restorative sleep. It also helps reduce inflammation that can activate stress hormones and interrupt rest. When the body is more relaxed, melatonin production improves naturally. People often report waking up less groggy and more refreshed after consistent nighttime use. It may not induce sleep like a sedative, but it removes internal obstacles that quietly interfere. The result is a more complete and refreshing night's sleep, with fewer interruptions.
The lower esophageal sphincter is a ring of muscle located at the entrance to your stomach. When food flows through the LES, it typically closes. Acid produced by your stomach may rise into your esophagus if the LES doesn't completely close or opens too frequently. Heartburn, a searing chest discomfort, is a symptom that may result from this.
And as you sleep deeper, your stomach lining, often damaged by lingering acid, gets time to repair too. Number 6. Protects stomach lining from irritation. Overnight acid exposure can inflame your stomach lining, especially when digestion slows. After you eat, acid production naturally increases to help with digestion. But if that acid lingers too long, especially at night, it can begin to irritate the stomach lining. This can lead to a burning sensation, heaviness, or even nausea while lying down. Baking soda helps by neutralizing these leftover acids, creating a safer internal environment. It acts quickly and gently, without the harsh effects of chemical antacids. By balancing acidity, it prevents further damage to the mucosal lining, your stomach's natural shield. This protection supports the body's ability to heal small abrasions or irritation overnight. It also reduces the chance of gas buildup and fermentation caused by slow digestion. For people with gastritis or frequent discomfort, this simple drink can feel like overnight relief. It may help calm the sensation of fullness or pressure after late meals. The reduced acid load means less strain on your gut while it rests and regenerates. You'll greet the morning lighter and feel more centered from the inside out. Which brings us to the digestive issue most people notice first: bloating. Let's fix that next. Number 7. Relieves bloating and gas. Overnight. If you go to bed feeling heavy or swollen, this one's for you. Bloating is often caused by trapped gas or excess acid reacting with undigested food. Baking soda works as a gentle antacid, helping neutralize acid and release gas from the digestive tract. It can reduce the pressure that builds up in your stomach and intestines after a large or late meal. This leads to less fullness, cramping, and that uncomfortable inflated sensation. It also supports smoother digestion by helping food break down more efficiently. People often notice a flatter stomach and lighter feeling by morning. It isn't a cure-all, yet it gives your gut the calm it needs to rest and process. Taken consistently, it may reduce chronic bloating and post-meal discomfort. And all of that adds up to better mornings and a more comfortable night's sleep. But there's another reason this nighttime remedy matters. Your immune system is working while you rest. Number 8. Boosts overnight immune repair. Your immune system does its best work at night, if your body isn't fighting internal stress. Baking soda may support immune function by modestly lowering inflammation and providing a more alkaline environment. This allows your immune cells to operate more efficiently during deep sleep. It also improves sleep quality, which is critical for immune repair and regulation. By reducing digestive and metabolic stress, your body can focus on healing instead of defense. Over time, this can lead to better resilience, faster recovery, and fewer disruptions to your body's defense system. And if your muscles ache from workouts or stress, this simple remedy may also speed up physical recovery. Number 9. Reduces muscle fatigue and soreness. Sore after exercise or waking up stiff? Baking soda might help more than you think. Baking soda helps buffer lactic acid buildup, which is a major cause of muscle fatigue and soreness. By reducing acidity in muscle tissue, it supports quicker recovery during sleep. This is why many athletes use baking soda as a natural performance and recovery aid. Even if you don't work out, it can help ease tension from stress or daily physical strain. You may wake up with less tightness and more freedom of movement. Let's wrap up with a benefit you might see in the mirror: glowing skin by morning. Number 10. Promotes healthier skin by morning. Clear, glowing skin isn't just about what you apply. It begins with internal balance. Baking soda reduces inflammation, which helps calm the internal stressors that affect your skin. When your gut and liver are overloaded, toxins often show up through breakouts or dull complexion. By supporting digestion and detox overnight, baking soda eases that burden. Better sleep and improved mineral absorption can also enhance your skin's natural repair cycle. Magnesium, for example, supports hydration and elasticity, both crucial for healthy skin. With less bloating and more restful sleep, your face may appear smoother and less puffy. Some people report a more even tone and reduced redness after consistent use. This benefit is subtle, but builds over time with regular nighttime use. It's not a substitute for skincare, but it strengthens your skin from the inside out. Combined with clean eating and hydration, baking soda helps your body reflect better balance. And best of all, it's far more affordable than most nighttime beauty routines. Safe dosage. Guide for baking soda water at night. Used correctly, baking soda can be a powerful nightly tool. But used carelessly, it can cause more harm than help. Too much baking soda may lead to nausea, stomach cramps, or even alkalosis, a dangerous imbalance in your body's pH. To use it safely, mix 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of filtered water. Drink it 1 to 2 hours after your last meal, about 30 minutes before bed. Avoid exceeding 1 teaspoon per day, and do not take it long-term without medical guidance. If you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or are on a sodium-restricted diet, consult your doctor first. It's also not recommended for children or pregnant women without professional approval. Use lukewarm water to help dissolve the powder fully and sip it slowly. Don't mix with lemon or vinegar at night, as the acid-base reaction may neutralize benefits or cause discomfort. Give your body a break after 2 weeks of use to avoid mineral imbalances. When used responsibly, this information remains educational and never replaces professional medical advice. Baking soda water is one of the simplest, most overlooked nighttime remedies, but only if used wisely and consistently. But even with great habits, one common kitchen ingredient could still be disrupting your health. In the next video, Barbara O'Neill reveals 6 garlic mistakes that can silently sabotage your body. Click here to find out how garlic can turn toxic and how to use it the right way.